Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can roll sushi rice. So first, have all your ingredient layout on the table. So we've got rice, chicken teriyaki, and all your vegetables and food ready to roll. Okay, so first I'm going to put the sushi paper on the roller here, and then we're going to get some rice, and then we put some rice on the paper and we spread it out evenly. Okay, now we put in the food, some vegetables, cucumber, some chicken teriyaki, yeah, we can put in some sauce, mayonnaise sauce if you want. If you like mayonnaise sauce, you can have it on. If you don't like mayonnaise sauce, you don't have to put it on. And now to roll it. So you want to squeeze this one down to make it tight, and then let go, and then squeeze it down. Then just continue to squeeze it down. You want to squeeze it hard so that it is nice and tight. And from here we can add in some water. So add in a bit of water, and to the side here. And just compress it down. And allow it to dry a little bit. Okay, next we can just place them on a plate, and then we can roll the next one.